And I hope you guys remember justifying your price when we did those those sales page critiques, that we had a lot of sales pages that we went through. They were higher ticket products, which is fine. But we went from you'll get this to pay me $2,000 or pay me $500, right? And even if there are products comparable in your market that are at the same price, your prospect may not know that, right? They're looking at you. And if you don't tell them where the value is, then they're less likely to say yes. I mean, it off some ways to justify your price. It's too expensive not to solve the problem or achieve the goal. In many cases, if you allow things to continue, your life deteriorates and you can suffer a lot. Maybe it's actually the results that you get. Perhaps what they're going to learn is going to help them get more money back. I don't mean like a get rich quick scheme, but I mean that if, they can invest $300 in something right now, they're and they implement everything, they have the potential of making much more than that. You want to be careful with your claims and stuff like that. But there are ways to illustrate that.